Beef tapa or jerky beef. I bought a roasting joint beef, about a kilo. You can use any cuts of beef to this cooking. I prefer to slice it myself. Cut the meat thinly. I'm not a chef, but I just love cooking. You can comment below if you like this recipe of mine. This cooking is very simple. I really crave this today, so I thought I'd give it a try. This cooking is good for 5 servings. Okay, now meat is ready for marinating. Put the beef in the bowl. Add half cup mixture of lemon juice and vinegar. Add half cup dark soy sauce. Also add a quarter cup of light soy sauce. Add pepper. I love lots of pepper on meat. Now add about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and a lemon zest. Mix until the meat is soaked thoroughly. Cover and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. After half an hour, pour oil on the pan. Fry onion, garlic, ginger, and chili. Now add the marinated beef. It really smells good. I'm sure you like it too. Once all in, put the lid on and simmer for 15 minutes on a medium heat. After 15 minutes, I have added the marinade liquid for extra tangy flavor. Finally, I've added an onion rings on top. Here it is. I also topped with chili for an extra kick. Spring onions as optional. Looks delicious. My version cooking of beef tapa or jerky beef.